What's special about this fireplace is that it has an easy way to open the front of the fireplace. So this glass easily pops out, it's on hinges. It's pretty much LCD screen that plays the recording of the flame. It's three-sided. I like how there is something that looks like a brick in the back, so it gives it more depth. And then you can see right here, panels in the middle of the logs that give it a look of the flames coming in through the logs to make it look more real. We are at the Napoleon booth at the IBS show in Vegas, the Builders show, and we're gonna look at their line of electric fireplaces. They have pretty cool ones, the regular LED, and then we have a really cool new fireplaces over there. Those are LCD or virtual fireplaces. So I'm gonna walk you through all of the different features and film them to make sure that you guys can see them. The first two fireplaces are regular LED fireplaces, but they look really good for LED fireplaces. But overall, Napoleon upgraded their flames. They look more realistic. Both of these fireplaces are smart. They connect to the Napoleon Connect app. You can control them from anywhere in the world, essentially. You just connect them to Wi-Fi. They also come with remotes if you don't want to use the app. So the major difference between two of these fireplaces is their installation. The first fireplace over here, this one is a Astound FlexMount. It's wall-mounted fireplace, but look how great it looks. So you don't have to make any openings in the wall. You just literally mount it to the wall, just like you would a flat-screen TV. It comes with all the hardware, so it's very easy to install. It will be a quick project and you will have a beautiful fireplace right there. Some of the features, like I mentioned, so let's look at the brochure here. You have the smart app control. You can also recess it into the wall if you wanted to, but you don't have to. You can just mount it on the wall. You have a lot of flame settings, so you can change the color, the speed, very energy efficient. As far as heat goes, you can see the BTUs right there. So if you hardwire it or plug it into 120, it will give you 5,000 BTUs, which is enough to heat up 400 or 500 square foot room. But if you do a 240 volt, then you can double the heat output, which is great. Three sizes, 50, 62, and 74 inches. Overall, this is one of my favorite products for Napoleon right now because of how easy it is to install, and the flames look realistic, and the logs look pretty good too. So it comes with everything you see here, the media, the crystals, and the logs. You can also change it up if you wanted to. You can get optional media like birch logs right there, see? Mineral rock, glass beads, black crystals. Overall, I like this one. It's a great option and a really good price point as well. Before we move on, let's try to change flame color. So there is a touch screen right here. You have to activate it. And then let's see. I just turn the flame off, on. Oh, that's all it does. So we do need a remote control to change the flame colors. But because of the limited functionality here, you get this clean face and you don't have any buttons, which is nice. Okay, moving on to this one. So when you compare it, this one is very clean. There is no frame on the sides, and it's like a three-sided view. This one comes with the frame, but the look is really nice. It's deep, so you get a chance to put nicer looking logs in front that adds a realistic look of it. What's special about this fireplace is that it has an easy way to open the front of the fireplace. So this glass easily pops out. It's on hinges. I'm not going to do it here, but you can easily open it without having to use any screwdriver or anything like that. And you can access the media inside and replace it. So if you wanted to change the logs, put something else in, it can be easily done with this fireplace. Built-in installation looks wonderful. Here are the features. This is Astound Built-in electric fireplace. So it's, again, regular LED fireplace. And let's see what stands out. It's the same situation with heat. So you can double the heat output and warm up 1,000 square feet with this fireplace if you connect it to 240 volt. Again, multiple flame color options. It's a smart fireplace. It works with Alexa, Google Home, like most new electric fireplaces by Napoleon do. So it's a great option if you're looking for a nice built-in unit at a great price point. So next, we'll move into, you can compare these guys with the virtuals. So here are the virtual fireplaces. Napoleon came out with the Luminex just probably last year. It's pretty much LCD screen that plays the recording of the flame. It's three-sided. You can install it as one-sided and just cover this part in, and it will be deep, just deep, regular one-sided fireplace. The logs look really nice. It has a crackling sound, very similar to Modern Flame's Orion. The flame is obviously different. Flame also has different patterns, different colors, just like Orion does. You can see here in the brochure the different options we have here. Smart, it connects to the Napoleon Smart app, also similarly to the Astound fireplaces. You can do double the heat output if you hardwire it within 240. So it's a great fireplace. Looks beautiful. This one only comes in a 65-inch size. So that's probably the only downside if you are looking for different size options. Now, this is something new. Napoleon just came out with a traditional LCD fireplace. It's your standard fireplace proportions, and it's also LCD screen that plays the video of the flames. I like how there is something that looks like a brick in the back, so it gives it more depth. And then there is also, as you can see right here, panels in the middle of the logs that give it the look of the flames coming in through the logs to make it look more real. I like the look of it. Maybe I would change the color of the flame. However, on this one, you cannot change the color of the flame. Like, I would make it more orange, but you cannot do that. So here are the options. So it's coming soon. It's not available just yet. The logs on it look great. You can change the flame patterns, but you cannot change the flame colors. So that's probably the only kind of a downside. If you don't think that this flame color looks real, it might not be for you. Similar one, very similar fireplace, but it is an LED one, is right here. And I feel like this one maybe looks more organic. However, it's missing the brick background. It would be nice if this one also had a brick background. So I think it would look more real. Flame pattern on this fireplace is similar to the ones that we started with. It's a better price point. On the LED fireplace, you're probably saving about $1,000 for the same size, traditional looking electric fireplace. Okay, here we have a very nice display of different electric fireplaces by Napoleon. As you can see, the top one over here is Napoleon Entice. It's a very basic LED fireplace. Right now they have it on the pink setting. But overall, to compare the flame patterns, the Entice is slim, and it doesn't have a lot of media options, so it doesn't look very real. And then this one is Astound. We looked into this fireplace in details. You can pop the glass open, replace the media. It looks beautiful, it's deep, the flames look real. Also, you can change the colors. This one is smart, this one is not. So you have app control here and the smart home integration. And the last one is your virtual fireplace, LCD, different technology. So you get the chance to compare what LED versus LCD looks like. I think it's a great display to give you an idea of three different types of technology side by side to see which one you like better from different angles. So we have your Luminex, LCD or virtual fireplace, three-sided, Astound, and here's Entice. So this was a quick overview of Napoleon electric fireplaces, some of their newer models, and I hope you guys found this helpful. I think it's nice to see some of them side by side to compare what the flames look like, and hopefully that was helpful to make your decision if you are shopping for a Napoleon fireplace.
Fireplace show.